Begin with the end in mind, the key to success in life, easy examples for achieving your goals. Welcome to our video on habit 2, begin with the end in mind. This habit is a powerful tool for anyone striving to achieve success in their life. By having a clear vision of your desired outcome, you can effectively navigate your journey and make purposeful decisions. Let's explore some easy examples of how you can implement this habit to create a successful life. Imagine you're sitting down to plan your goals. To begin with the end in mind, it's crucial to visualize your desired outcome. Create a vision board that represents your aspirations. Include images, quotes, and symbols that reflect your goals and dreams. This visual reminder will keep you focused and motivated as you work towards achieving them. Now, let's focus on setting long-term goals. These goals provide a clear direction and purpose for your actions. Write down your long-term goals, such as career objectives, personal achievements, or even relationships you want to nurture. Ensure these goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. Breaking down your goals into smaller, actionable steps is key to making progress. Create a task list or action plan that outlines the steps you need to take to reach your goals. Prioritize these steps based on their importance and the impact they will have on your desired outcome. To truly begin with the end in mind, align your daily activities with your long-term goals. Review your daily schedule and identify activities that contribute to your goals. Eliminate or minimize activities that distract you from your purpose. By consciously allocating your time and energy to what truly matters, you move closer to success. Remember, success is not achieved alone. Seek support and accountability from others who share your vision. Join a mastermind group or find a mentor who can guide and support you on your journey. Come and join our community to seek support. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who believe in your goals can provide valuable insights and encouragement. By implementing the habit of beginning with the end in mind, you take inspired action towards your goals and set yourself on a path to success. Remember to subscribe to our channel to receive more videos on personal development and success strategies.